over here with us, and it's wonderful to have you in our journey to success. You've come a real far way. So we need to hear a little bit about this association between you and Xerox.
Well, I'm extremely honored, extremely excited for this association, because I truly believe that if you can dream it, you can achieve it. And Xerox has done it in no time, in last few years, has seen a geometric progression, so inspirational. And also, it has to do with innovation, coming up with different ideas so that not only you're surviving, but you're flying. And that's exactly what Xerox is doing. So I'm extremely excited.
We're totally inspired by you, Shashank. So a big hand, and sir, we'd like to hear a few words from you.
My team is super excited that Sushant has joined our family. I'm sure this is going to take us to the next level, and welcome to the family. Thank you very much.
All right, so well, he's right here. Do you want the chairs to be out for the photo op? For a sec, quickly, can you, hold on. Can you just take the chairs out for 2 minutes? Let them have a photo op, then we'll have the chairs back. You can put it on the side here. He's here for some time. We will have the question answer session, but quickly, please go ahead and take your photographs. Three of you together, yes, please. Okay. We're done? Thank you. Can we have the chairs back on the stage? Okay, can we quickly just have Sushant on the side quickly? Okay. Okay. All right, okay, can we have the chairs, please, quickly on the stage? Well, friends, Sushant Singh Rajput was the ideal choice to represent Xerox, considering his philosophies and his journey from guts to glory. Well, named the confident craftsman by the Forbes in Fine Success and Stardom. Well, his passion is definitely alluring. So we are definitely excited to continue this journey with this very talented actor here. So once again, ek baar zordar taaliyan for Sushant Singh Rajput, ladies and gentlemen. I now open the session for the media here for the question answer. You may ask for the mic and it will be handed over to you. Any questions? Over there, on the left, please. Can you hand over the mic on the left, please? My left. Yeah, over there.
Press 9 News. I would like to ask the CEO that has the GST hampered the mobile industry? What have you got to say on that?
Well, we're thinking that GST might affect us, but to be honest enough, we did our highest sales while GST was implemented.
Okay, thank you.
I have just a small announcement. Please that was a wonderful question. Stick to the questions in association with the Xerox. No personal questions with Sushant Singh Rajput here. Okay, anyone else for the questions?
What measures have you taken before launching this product? Like you decided to have a launch today. So what measures have you taken for launching this product?
Yeah, so we have a R&D center both in India and in China. So we have done our R&D research. It's a new chipset altogether. So we have, I would say, been testing it for a couple of months now, and we'll be launching it somewhere around the end of this month. Thank you.
It's quite strange. No one is asking Sushant any questions here. आप लोग अभी भी सोच रहे हैं क्या questions पूछें? He's right here, the man himself.
Ask something to Sushant also, man.
This is your only time. I know what you will do is on one-on-one, you will try and catch hold of him. Maybe you will not get an opportunity there. So this is the moment. Please, अपने questions पूछिए.
सुशांत कमलिया फ्रॉम E24 यो. हाय सुशांत, किस तरह से एसोसिएशन रहा आपका और क्या सोचा आपने कि इस कंपनी के साथ आपका ब्रांड एम्बेसडरशिप रहेगा? कुछ
एसोसिएशन तो भी शुरू हुआ है, लेकिन जनरली अगर मैं किसी से एसोसिएट होता हूँ तो पहले मैं देख लेता हूँ कि हाउ कैन आई कंट्रीब्यूट और व्हाट आर द थिंग्स दैट रेजोनेट, जिसकी वजह से मैं एसोसिएट हो रहा हूँ. तो जिस तरीके से सोचने का तरीका जो है वो बहुत ही सिमिलर है, बिल्कुल स्क्रैच से शुरू करके, लेकिन एम्बिशियस होके, इनोवेशन के साथ. और जब आप ऐसे कन्विक्शन से चलते हैं तो काफ़ी छलांग जो है लंबी लंबी होती है, बिल्कुल ज्योमेट्रिक प्रोग्रेशन होता है. तो आप देख सकते हैं 2015 से लेके अभी तक कितना ज़बरदस्त इम्प्रूवमेंट किया है Xerox ने. और सिर्फ यही नहीं है कि ऑफ कोर्स हमने केटर्स टू एवरीबडी, और वो जिस तरीके से डिज़ाइन है वो सबके लिए है, सबको मद्दे नजर रखते हुए. तो all these things I completely and absolutely I am with those things and hence the association.
सुशांत, जैसे कि कोई ब्रांड अगर कोई खरीदता है तो कोई ब्रांड एम्बेसडर को देख के खरीदता है, कोई क्वालिटी देख के खरीदता है. एज अ ब्रांड एम्बेसडर क्या आपकी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी बढ़ जाती है जब एक ब्रांड को प्रमोट करते हैं आप?
जी बिल्कुल रिस्पॉन्सिबल तो हम होते ही हैं जब हम एसोसिएट होते हैं. आज ही सुबह में मैंने Xerox से अपना सेल्फी खींचा था, आज तक की सबसे अच्छी सेल्फी.
सुशांत, आपने फोटोज की बात की है तो एक सोशल नेटवर्किंग साइट पर आपकी एक फोटो थोड़ी सी वायरल हो रही है और आपने कुछ कैप्शन उसमें डाला है कि अगर मुझे देखना है तो कोई भेदभाव से ना देखे, बायस ना हो. तो उसको थोड़ा,
मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि जब भी हम कोई भी एक्सपीरियंस होता है, जो एक्सपीरियंस करते हैं तो हम बहुत सारे बाइसेस के साथ देखते हैं. हमें पहले से ही बहुत सारी बाइसेस होते हैं और दैट एक्चुअली चेंजेस द एक्सपीरियंस ऑफ इट. तो मैं बस यही कहता हूँ कि जितना हो सके ऑब्जेक्टिवली चीज़ों को देखें, बाइसेस के साथ ना देखें, तो फिर देखने में और मजा आएगा.
Any more questions? Our media partners, आप लोग अगर चाहें, okay, पूछ सकते हैं questions. We have right there. No?
Hello, hi Sushant, this is Riya
Hi.
from Sadis. Actually, this is regarding something different. So I wanted to ask you about your upcoming movie Chanda Mama Durge. So what is new in that role you're taking up in this movie?
This is the after the script resonates with me. This is one of the differentiators that actually tells me that I have to do the film. I should not know how to do it, and that is the main thing. And it's a quite challenging thing because it will be India's first space film. And knowing that we all have seen films like Gravity and Interstellar, and we don't have $110 million to make that film. So it's an extremely challenging thing for us, so that we give you the same experience without having that much of funding. So we're doing our best. I was in NASA. I always wanted to go to NASA. I dropped out from my engineering college in the third year. I was in Delhi College of Engineering. My friends completed it. They went to best of the B schools and they couldn't go to NASA. But I made sure that I clicked pictures from there and I sent them and I made them jealous. But I stayed there for a while, did everything that an astronaut is supposed to do, and I'm going to make sure that I do everything so that I don't disappoint you when you watch the film.
Sushant, Sunita from Stardust, what does guts to glory mean to you?
I think it's subjective. I was always, I had my eyes on my dreams, and I was never questioning it. I was not, there was not even an iota of doubt that these dreams won't come true. And at the same time, I was not obsessed by it. So everything that I was doing after I dropped out, figured out that, okay, performing arts is something that I really want to do, and I dropped out of a very prestigious college. When I was doing theatre, getting 250 rupees per show, I was actually enjoying that. I was a background dancer with Shama, and I was dancing behind all the stars. I was not getting obsessed that one day I will become a Bollywood hero and then I'll enjoy, but at that point of time, I was really enjoying that. Then TV happened, and then films are happening. Now with all the fame, all the money, all the hit films, flop films, I can only match the level of excitement that was already there 10 years back. So it is just not being obsessed about the future, but just being in the moment and enjoying what you actually like to do.
Thank you.
Any more questions?
सुशांत आलोक केयर फ्रॉम पत्रिका, क्या आज से सुशांत सिंह सिर्फ जियोक मोबाइल यूज करेंगे?
मेरे पास ऑलरेडी दो है।
नहीं,
He's already using it.
आज के बाद आपने बोला कि सेल्फी बेस्ट सेल्फी ली है हमने इससे, तो क्या आज के बाद आप दूसरा कोई फोन यूज नहीं करेंगे?
बिल्कुल सर, मैं बहुत सेल्फ ऑब्सेस्ड हूँ, इसमें डुअल कैमरा है, यहाँ से मैं कहीं और नहीं जा रहा हूँ।
सुशांत पटना से बिलोंग करते हैं, ठीक है? पटना से बिलोंग करते हैं
जी।
काफी उथल पुथल है अभी वहाँ पे नीतीश और लालू के बीच में, क्या कोई ऐसी प्लानिंग नहीं है वहाँ के लेके कोई पिक्चर बनाए बिहार की राजनीति के ऊपर?
बिल्कुल बनाएंगे, मैं सोच भी रहा हूँ बनाने की।
कब तक उम्मीद करें हम लोग?
आप आइए, अब साथ में स्क्रिप्ट लिखते हैं।
थैंक यू, थैंक यू।
Hello, Shant Ramata here from Business Standard.
Hi.
I just wanted to know, how do you choose your endorsements, your duration of endorsements, and also is there anything that you would not endorse? Anything specific?
Well, number one, whenever I get an offer, I always see that what the brand stands for. It's a very important thing for me because I have to do and I want to do certain things, and to do those certain things, I need to earn a certain kind of reputation so that I can contribute in those things. So what the brand stands for is extremely crucial for me. So I definitely go through all the things that it stands for. Number two, the duration of it, I don't decide it. I mean, like, the brand has to decide it. And number three, of course, there are a few things that I would never endorse. And one would be any fairness fee. I'm not with that. And any kind of discrimination, brands that make any kind of discrimination, I am not for that.
Mr. Deepak,
Yeah.
your presentation was so nice. When will you start organizing events, sir?
Pardon, sir?
Events.
I didn't
When will you start organizing events? Because your presentation was events.
I think he wants to see more of Sushant. That's the reason he wants you to do more of events. So Sushant और बार आए हमें.
Presentation was so impressive. So I'm asking you, will you start organizing events also?
Yeah, of course it will be in the pipeline. I mean, we'll be doing more and more occasions like this. The celebration will be more, and we'll be enjoying the moment. Will be, increase the sale also. The turnover will get increased. He'll be more with us, and maybe for not for 2 years or 5 years. He may be with us for 10 years.
You are multi-talented.
Thank you.
So that's for the team here. So 3 million to 10 million, and we'll have another 10 shows with Sushant this year. Okay, any more questions related to the brand, Xeox and Sushant Singh Rajput? Ladies and gentlemen.
Mr. Deepak, this is Anil from War India. So you said that you have the manufacturing in Delhi, okay? So is it your own manufacturing, or it's completely an assembling from importing from others and assembling it here?
It's complete our own manufacturing, sir. And we have our R&D facility which is in China.
Okay.
This facility is our own factory. So manufacturing is our own.
Okay, and then coming to the service part, you said that you have 800 service centers. Are these your own service centers or third-party service centers?
So somewhere it's our own, somewhere it's third parties.
Okay, thank you.
Any more questions? You do? That's it? Okay. Alright, my friends, do you have a question? Yes, I think he do. That. Okay, we'll take one last question from the gentleman right behind.
Yeah, Younger from Digit Magazine. Just one question regarding your phone. So, this phone, the price has not been mentioned, but it looks to be in the budget segment. This will be marketed in the budget segment.
Yeah, it will be in the budget segment.
So, right now in our budget segment, there are so many phones from Xiaomi, Panasonic, Motorola. How do you think the Duo Peak stands out?
All the phones that you're talking about, none of them have a dual camera. That's what I said in the presentation. We will be among the first brands to launch this feature.
So, the camera will stand out.
Yeah.
And Xeox has me.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, we have now come towards the end of the event here. एक बार फिर से जोरदार तालियां for Sushant Singh Rajput and to our dignitaries on stage. I request Sushant, please back.